Okay guys, mount your camera on a tripod, use portrait mode. After that, walk into the scene with your object. What you just need here is just to throw this object down, alright? Your duty here is just to throw this object down, alright? Then you can decide to shake your hand. Then after this now, you can just walk out, okay?
Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut.
Okay guys, welcome to your gallery. Click on CapCut, new project, put your video to workspace, okay? So at this point, look at that volume sign there, click it as we silence the volume. So at this point now, this is the video. You want to mark out your wanted part, locate where you want the video to start. So at this point, you are going to click it here now to make a split. You delete this first part. Then at this point, locate where you want it to stop. So look at this point. At this point here now, you click it and make another split. Delete this last part. So you want to click the video now. Let us expound it, all right? Expound it to your choice. Place it the way you want it to be. Do your necessary adjustments, all right? Do your necessary adjustments. Okay, this is good. So at this point, guys, tell us your opinion about this video. What do you think about this video? If you have any CapCut magic tricks you want us to create together, drop all that at the comment section, okay? If you love this video and you love what we are doing, smash your like button, all right? If you are just coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop amazing tutorials, okay? Welcome back to this tutorial now. So at this point, go and locate reverse. Locate reverse, guys. Let's look for reverse. Look for reverse. Click on reverse now. Now it has applied completely. Then you can play the video now. Let us see what we have got. Click and play the video. Let's see what we have got. Wait, good. This is how to levitate an object into your hand. Okay, you can see the video now. This video is good. You can try this at the comfort of your own home. All right, look at it, look at it. Just watch it again. This is nice, but I want to make some necessary adjustments. I felt this place is too long. That is why you see me make that split and delete. All right, just calm down. You know what you want. Do your own and necessary adjustments. After making your adjustments, this video is ready. I am going to be splitting here as well as I expound it now. After expounding it, I am going to be making a split at the end of the video also. So I am taking time now to do my own necessary adjustment. But as far as being ready, this video is ready. This is how to levitate an object. So I want to do some adjustments at the ending as well. So this point now, immediately I cache the object. I will be making a split. Immediately the object gets to my hand, you click here and make a split. I'll make a split. Immediately it gets to my hand, all right? Then when I am observing or looking at the object, I will make another split. Delete this middle part so that it will look good. But it depends on how you record your own video. But as far as I'm concerned, this video is ready. What will be remaining here is to remember to add your sound effects and every other effect. Then after that, you export your video. If you don't know how to do that, you can DM me. Then I'll put you through on how to add your necessary effects, and after adding those effects of yours, then you can export your video to your gallery, okay? So At this point, what will be remaining here is to click on export now and export this video to your gallery. Click on export. Now this video I've installed in your gallery, can now share it to your social media handles. Okay, guys, tell us your opinion about this video. If you have any magic tricks you want us to create together, drop all that at the comment section. If you love this video, you love what we are doing, smash your like button. Okay, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, see you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.